Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this lesson I am going to explain what is a morning star candlestick pattern, how we can identify this candlestick pattern, how we can support this candlestick pattern, what are its characteristics, and what are those conditions in which this candlestick pattern will work perfectly. Okay, so let's start. Morning star candlestick pattern looks like this. As we are in series of 3 candlestick patterns, okay, so it is composed of 3 candles. Always remember, we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downtrend, after strong bearish trend. Now we will see its conditions. First of all, it is 3 candlestick pattern, okay, it is formed by 3 candlestick. Then as I have already told you that we will find such type of candlestick pattern after a strong downtrend. So first candle should be bearish one. This one. This candle is bearish within downtrend. Now second candle should be small with small body and bigger wicks or tails. That this candle will be showing us indecision. First candle bearish, second candle with small body and long tails. Now it is very important, whenever we have found such type of candles with small body and long tails that are always showing us indecision and no clarity in the market, it means that both buyers and sellers are in wait and watch conditions. They have no strong confirmation and they are waiting for the next step. Buyers are waiting for the sellers that if they stop, now we will buy the market, and sellers are waiting for the buyers. If they stop, now we will sell the market. So when this candle is formed, it means that somehow as market was falling, this downtrend has stopped and there are some chances that market will go up from here. So this is the second condition of this pattern. First condition is that we will have strong down candle, second indecision, third candle should be bullish, it should close above midpoint of the first candle, this one. So whenever we found bullish candle, so it is the confirmation is that we have found morning star candlestick pattern here, and this bullish candle should close above midpoint of first bearish candle, this black bearish candle. Okay, first candle should be bearish, second with small body long tails indecision, 50-50 chances of the market of bullish or bearish market, and third one is that it should close above. So whenever it closes above the midpoint of first bearish candle, we can say that morning star candlestick pattern has been formed. So now I will tell you why this pattern has been named as morning star. It means that actually around 4 years ago, when these candlestick pattern were studied, at that time bullish candle were in white color and bearish candle were in black color. So it has been named as morning star because night has been finished. This night means this downtrend. Night has been finished and this star has arrived. We can say star of morning. Okay, so that's why it is named as morning star candlestick pattern. Night has been finished, we have seen a new star and it is named as morning star. We will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downward trend. Okay, so here I will repeat all the conditions again, that it is composed of 3 candlestick pattern. First candle should be bearish, second candle with small body, and third candle should close above. And we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downtrend. So basically, what is the sentimental or psychology of this pattern? It means that when market was falling, first there was indecision and now bulls are coming back, and they have bought the market from this session up to this level. So they are now continuously buying the market and bulls are back. Okay, they have stopped the sellers to keep the market further in downward direction. Okay, so now market will move to upside. When this candle was closed bullish, we can say that bulls are back in the game and they have not allowed the sellers to push the market further downward direction. So we can say that sellers are now exhausted. They are taking out their profits and they are trying to exit from the market, and now there are full chances that market will go up right from here. Now we will see what is its interpretation. We can say that bulls are strongly back in the game. Now they are with new optimism, new passion, and there are strong chances that prices will go up right from here. Sellers are exhausted. They are taking out their profits from the market and they are quitting. Okay, so they are trying to exit from the market. And right from this level, prices will go to the upside. Okay, and there are strong chances that trend has been changed. And we will trade with proper stop loss and minimum 1 to 1 ratio risk to reward of risk to reward. And it is one of the most strong trend reversal of bullish pattern, strong bullish trend reversal pattern. So once again I will repeat it, that we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong downward direction. It is composed of three candlestick pattern. First candle should be bearish, second candle should be indecision, small body, long tails, and third candle should close above midpoint of the first bearish candle. So when this bullish candle is closed, then we will have strong morning star candlestick pattern. It means sellers are exhausted. They are trying to pull out from the market and taking out their profit from the market. Okay, so bulls are back in the game and there are strong chances that prices will go up right from here. And this candlestick pattern is called morning star candlestick pattern. It means darkness or night has been finished and now we will see light and trend will be changed. Bullish trend will be formed after the strong bearish trend. Okay, so now I will go to charts and I will explain this candlestick pattern. Okay guys, welcome back. Now we will see this morning star candlestick pattern in the chart. As you can see, market was falling. This is chart of Eurocard H4 time frame. Market was falling right from this level to here. Now you can see this candle was strong bearish candle. First candle I have explained in all the conditions. First candle is bearish, so this candle is bearish. Second candle with small body, long tails, you can see right now. And third candle is strong bullish candle. It has closed above the midpoint. Even it has closed the entire body, but our minimum condition is that it should close above midpoint of the first bearish candle. And you can see this was bottom of the market because market has already fallen a lot. Okay, so when this candle is closed, then now we have a strong morning candlestick pattern. You can see this was closed above the entire body. So basically what it means that we will not go in a very hurry in quick opening new position, because it does not mean that right after the morning star candlestick pattern market will go right after that pattern. It will test new support and it will take some retracement. So here in this case, what I will suggest you to wait for some time. As you can see, it has taken some retracement. I will suggest you to take entry right from this level. Okay, wait for some retracement. And now how we will decide about our stop loss and take profit. Our stop loss would be lowest point of this candle, indecision candle. This would be our stop loss, and our take profit ratio should be with the minimum 1 by 1 or 1 by 2 ratio, as I have already explained. So this, when this candle was closed, market took some retracement, and right after that you can see overall trend was changed and market went up. It has fallen. After the downtrend, we found such type of candlestick pattern. First candle is bearish, second candle is indecision, and third candle has closed above. Market took retracement, and you can see then it went up in a beautiful way. So this is very important candlestick pattern. Once again I will repeat, first candle bearish, second candle with small body indecision, and third candle should close above the midpoint of first body. So right after that we will wait some retracement, and then we will take entry. This lowest point will be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit ratio with 1 by 1 or 1 by 2 ratio. I will suggest you to minimum 1:2 ratio. It means as market was falling, sellers have taken out their profit. This candle was strong bullish. It means bulls are back in the game, and overall trend has been changed and market went up. Okay, so this was the example of Eurocard morning star candlestick pattern. Okay, all right, now we have another example of morning star candlestick pattern. As you can see, this is chart of H4 Euro JPY. Market has been in a downtrend. After strong downtrend, market was making bottom here. You can see first candle is bearish candle after the strong downtrend, as I have already explained in the condition. So first candle should be bearish, second candle is with indecision. It means that there is 50-50 chances of bullish or bearish market. Third candle has closed above the first candle midpoint minimum. That was our necessary condition. So after that you can see market went up. We will take a buy entry. In this case it has not taken the retracement, but overall trend was changed. So even if we buy from here, and this lowest point would be our stop loss, and you can see market has given us 1:2 ratio minimum. Overall trend of the market was changed. First we have strong downward trend, then first candle is bearish, second indecision, third candle bullish. Okay, so it means that market trend has now been changed. We have morning star of morning has arrived, and overall trend was changed, and you can see right from this level market went into upside. Okay, so this was the explanation of the morning star candlestick pattern. It is very important candlestick pattern. Try to train your eyes with all those conditions. Okay, and this is very important candlestick pattern. It can give us a huge amount of profit. I am sure that now you have clear concept of this candlestick pattern. Okay, thank you.